Alright, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here in the home lab setup because I just wanted to show off actually installing this Windows Server 2003. So, here you go. Yeah, let's just get to it. So the machine I'm going to be using, I actually didn't get this off of eBay. I've had this for a while. This is a HP workstation XW4200. And so the reason why I chose this server, or this workstation, or the reason why I chose this machine is because actually it is an enterprise workstation, which I was surprised about. When I first got this, I didn't really know what it was. But yeah, XW4200. Although what I found interesting is that a lot of workstations from this time had a Xeon, or I think so, I don't know, because I've seen some that have Pentium 4s as well. But yeah, it has a consumer CPU, so that's kind of interesting. But it fits within the specs of this. So yeah, it's designed for Windows XP, but it is a full enterprise workstation, and I'll show you why. Yeah. Pull on it a little bit, come on. I can get this open, I swear. There we go. Alright. So here's the Pentium 4. This is so what's interesting, I'll start off with the RAM. This is 2 gigabytes of DDR2 ECC RAM. So it literally has like RAM that you'd see in a server. So I think that's interesting. And then this is a Fire GL. I don't know what type, but it's a Fire GL. I forgot. I had it and then I forgot. But it's a workstation GPU. So I mean it's capable. And the cool thing is, it also has a Seagate Barracuda 320 gigabyte drive. All of this was here when I got it. I just got it like this. I think I got it for free too, a few years ago. And the previous owner, did a lot of like high capacity or high power work. So it makes sense. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. This is the little latch. There. So yeah, those are the things I wanted to show off. And then here's Windows Server 2003. You look at the specs. It says, I'm trying to see on here. Okay. Computer with 550 megahertz or higher processor. 133 megahertz minimum. So Intel Pentium family. And yeah, up to 8 CPUs, which I find very interesting. 256 megabytes or higher recommended, 128 required, maximum, and then 32 maximum, but I don't have 32, but I have 2 gigabytes. And then 1.25 to 2 gigabytes of available hard disk space. I have that. CD-ROM drive, yeah. I think I have all that. Yeah. Okay. You get the point. Let's open this up. I think I just unsealed it more than I should have. And so here we go. Get it out. You've already seen all this. Let's go ahead. There we go. I'm a little worried about network drivers, but hopefully we'll be okay. And yes, the other R710 is holding the monitor. Also, I just plan to use this as a retro server. It'll be used actually as a server, but I don't really have any good use for it. Probably just set up like a maybe Active Directory, but I have no reason to. And probably just a file server and maybe set up Windows or Microsoft Virtual Server. We'll see. But yeah. So I have Windows XP Home Edition on here right now because I was testing out some stuff. And yeah, here's the disc. And yeah, I'll just boot it up. I'll turn on the monitor. So actually, the previous owner added a second disk drive. This is the first time this copy of Windows Server 2003 will be installed. So I think that was the boot, yeah. CD. Okay. I'll probably just split this up into parts because I don't feel like editing it. So it'll probably be like 3 parts is what I'm thinking. 3 or 4 probably. We'll see, depending on what I do. And there's that. Sorry, I can't really see what you guys are seeing because you're on my head. So if there's something I'm doing like terribly wrong with the camera, I'm very sorry. I have no idea. And yeah. I have to like strain my eyes to see what you guys see. I just moved it down a little bit so I can see better. I'm gonna try and zoom in on there. This is kind of when server stuff was kind of taking off. Actually, I had really starting to do stuff. And yeah, I'm curious as to what build this will install. So, we'll see. So I'm hoping it'll see my... Okay, it sees it. Good. I was really hoping it would... I was worried it wasn't going to because I heard something about it not working. So there we go. Let's just do quick format. I don't care that much. I gotta plug in Ethernet. I didn't do that yet. Let's look at some of the documentation while we wait. Do more with the less. So Remote installation services. How do I do that? Yeah. Be cool to set up like a little web server. But yeah. But yeah. Alright. I'm gonna be we'll be done soon. Really cool box. Almost done. But yeah, here's the top some benefits of alright. Seems to be done. I need to plug in my Ethernet cable now, probably. Here's my Ethernet cable. Just into the motherboard. It has a NIC, but just do that for now. Okay, here's is that actually crap? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's saying 39 minutes, so I think I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'll be back with it when anything interesting happens.